Real Madrid under the manager Carlo Ancelotti here have been trying to make the things clear. And of course, in one way or another, Real Madrid has gifted so many professional and top performance players, including Vinicius Junior, Brazilian, this talent, and Karim Benzema from France. Of course, there is also Antonio Rudiger, the German machine, and of course here there is also Luka Modric from Croatia. This club has very experienced and expensive players in one way or another, as Courtois, the former goalkeeper of Chelsea, is training here now. The number one goalkeeper of Real Madrid is training here to face Real Sociedad on the next game of the Spanish La Liga Santander. Fantastic, good and impressive one, as you have just seen here. The only training session is under the control of the head coach Carlo Ancelotti. Is careful now, looking for what his players doing here now. A fantastic Lucas Modric, Antonio Rudiger, Karim Benzema, the top scorer of all time of Real Madrid, trainers here to make sure that they bring